Hi, I got Lee 100 millimeter filter system. Uh, this ring. I used to have like these filters gradient, but I don't have a solid ND filters. So on the eBay, I found some special price, and without looking I jumped and I bought. So when it arrived, these three, and I found that here I open. Like just film. So how can I put this thing? It doesn't work. So it was my mistake. Then I looked on the Lee website, and they suggested that I can buy a ring like this. Then I can put those film on this. Then I can use in this frame. Then I bought a set of frames, whatever called, from Camera Pro. Opened this, I thought it would be easy to put, but when I placed one like this, it's fully covered, and in this frame there are teeth. It need to be go through, penetrate, but there is no way you can make a punch. It will be damage the filter. Then from the website I found that some tips how to do that, so I want to show you how to do that. First, there are some teeth on these things, and we need to cut from 100 millimeter to about 90 millimeter. Don't mess up too much. So I can see through this film. So if I cut like this, I think it will work. Okay. So now let's do the other side. So now there's a this is a logo of Lee on this, on both of them. So what we need to, so here's the Lee. So what we need to do, we need to put this logo in the opposite side of the same end. So it will be fit like this. So just now put the other side and put the film in between, and now cover with very carefully, and have to adjust the teeth. Total 12 snaps in the middle, 2 on each side and in the corner. here I did before one, so it snapped properly all the edges. So what I'm going to do now, I'll put some super glue. Now let's try how it works with this 100mm leaf frame. Yeah, it's perfect. It's not solid resin filters, but you have to be careful to mount. So that's it. Thank you for watching.